Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. This is the first video under the topic of principles of sterilization. We will have 5 hours of lecture under this topic, and you will be provided with videos according to the lectures. So the sterilization can be done through different methods that can be divided into either heat or non-heat methods. Okay, so the heat methods can be further divided into either dry heat or moist heat. For this first lecture, I will introduce to you what are the principles behind sterilization and what should you understand or why you need to understand about sterilization. This is the study objective or under this topic. At the end of this topic, you would be able to define sterility and sterilization, explain the kinetics of microbial inactivation, list the various methods of heat sterilization, describe the mechanism of microbial disruption, explain the advantages and disadvantages and application of each sterilization method, and to describe the methods of monitoring sterilization process. So you have to know these important aspects under this broad topic, and the kinetics of microbial inactivation is important because based on the kinetics, you would know how long the sterilization process should be conducted at, and you would be able to know what are the factors or what are the other factors that will influence the inactivation of microorganism. And the advantages and disadvantages will help you to choose which method for what kind of product. So I will begin with a short story on a case happened in the US. So this NECC or New England Compounding Center is a company or a compounding company that should produce products according to requests by prescribers, but this company violates the law and produce these products in bulk. Okay, this is only one part of the problem. Another bigger part of the problem is that the pharmacist in charge did not take care of the environment, of the production environment, and the company was found to be very dirty. And the third problem was that the company or the pharmacist in charge decided to shorten the sterilization time. When they did this, only by few minutes, the destruction of microorganism in the product did not happen at the required level, and this led to the growth of fungus in the product. So once the product, this methylprednisolone, was administered to patient, and it was being administered for back pain, so it was given through to the spine. Okay, patient came back with complaints of headache and seizures. When they investigated further, they found that the cerebrospinal fluid of the patient was tainted with aspergillus, which is a type of fungus. So this is very, very dangerous. A number of patients died due to this negligence, and many other patients, hundreds of patients, was affected. So this was what happened if we don't conduct sterilization correctly. Okay. So there are many different types of microorganisms, and they can be present in our pharmaceutical product. So this is dangerous. We have example bacteria, virus, and fungus. So bacteria is present. Bacteria is present on the surface of our body and even in our GIT. But the same bacteria, if they present in a wrong place, they can cause illness. As an example, E. coli, they are present in our GIT. But if they infect our urinary tract, they will cause a very painful illness. Okay, so this is why it is important to ensure that that this microorganism is not present in our product, because if they are present and we administer the product through, as an example, intravenous route, our blood circulation system could not handle or could not eliminate this microorganism. This is even true because many pharmaceutical product is given to patients who are not well. Okay, so they are already not well. Their immune system might not be working well, and if we give products with which are contaminated with microorganism, how can their body react to protect themselves?